Yan ang aking apo. Aking apo. Beautiful ang apo ni Papa Bot. Sige.
Bulak-bulak.
Yeah.
Ano, Papa Bot?
What did you do?
Hi, Papa Bot.
Bless. Bless here. Bless. And then kiss. Agtang. Okay. Agtang.
Bawal na mag-park dito
What
sa
did you do? Ano daw? Ano daw?
Bawal na mag-ano sa
Mag-ano daw?
parking. Bawal na.
Saan?
Dira.
Doon sa loob?
Harap sa school.
Oo. Bawal na niya. Kaya samo kayo?
Bawalan. May
Okay, okay. Sige.
Sit down.
What did your teacher tell you? Assignment? What's your assignment? Murag ubo.
What your assignment?
Murag ubo lagi ni.
What your assignment? Cover your book.
Cover your book?
Cover your book.
Y and Z.
Very good, Chloe. So me?
Why?
You.
You saw the ABCD
ABCD.
on the blackboard?
Hi. Ano kasi? Hi.
On the
hello.
blackboard? Yeah, good.
Hi.
So you memorized the ABCD? Yeah. Okay.
A, B,
C, D, E, F.
G.
What? Okay, okay. You go alone. Okay. What? What number 2? Kinder? Huh? Your kinder number 2?